This is it. It's perfect. I knew you'd like it. We're on to something big.
And that, gentlemen, is why we believe Google is the future of the internet. We've laid out the vision, the technology is sound, and we're ready to scale.
All right, everyone, big news. This is fantastic. Great job, team.
So what does this mean for the product?
All right, this is it. Yes, we're in business. Absolutely. Welcome to the family, guys. Thank you. Let's build something great. Congratulations. We did it. Yes.
The time has come. Android, it's here.
It's here.
And it's going to change everything.
เพลงนะครับนี่นะครับตัวเตนนะครับมีตั้งผู้เดิมไหนนะครับมีเตือนหมดโตมนะครับนี่นะคะเอ็นตูนหนังนะครับนินหลายโซน
And with that, we're bringing you a brand new reality, Google Glass. And together, we will continue to build the future.
Thank you all so much. This is a tremendous honor.
Okay, Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. Hey, Google, can you tell me a joke?
Remember this? We had so much fun that summer.
Hello, everyone. It's so good to see you all.
Hi, Grandma.
So lovely to see you.
And as you can see, the seamless integration allows for unparalleled data transfer in real time.
Where is the station?
Look left, it's just past the cafe.